What's going on, folks? Let me show you where you be checking your transmission fluid at on a Chevy Traverse. It's probably the same from about the 2009 up until about the 2017. It's probably also the same on your Buick Enclaves as well as your GM Acadias. When you're looking for your transmission dipstick, what you want to look for is, you see right here where you, first of all, when you check your transmission fluid, you want to have your vehicle running. You want to make sure that it's running. You also want to make sure that it's on a level surface before you check it. But once you have your vehicle running and idle and park, what you want to do is look right here where you see your fill valve at for your windshield wiper fluid. And you're going to look all the way down here. Right here, this will be your transmission dipstick right here. It's not going to look like your oil one does, which has like a little handle you can pull it out with. This one actually just spins out. So with your vehicle running, and your vehicle on a level surface, you want to look down and you want to spin your dipstick out just like that. And when you take it out, what you're going to want to do first when you take it out, you want to go ahead and clean it off, and then go ahead and stick it back in there again and pull it out, just to make sure you're getting the correct level. So once you take it out, what you can see, I can see right here that where the level is fine. I can see the red that's up on my stick. Get a little closer thing. And you can see right here, that middle part is where you want your fluid to be up to. There should be a word on it that says maximum as well as minimum. As long as you're in that part up to the maximum, you should be good. And if you don't have enough fluid inside of it and you need to add more fluid to it, like say it's low once you check it, what you're going to have to use is some Dexron 6. It's not going to say 6, it's going to say Dexron V1 pretty much, which stands for 6. So this is the fluid that you're going to use to put into your transmission fill spot. But also it's kind of deep down inside of it to get to it. So you're going to want to go ahead also and get you a nice long funnel that you can stick down in there inside of that opening like that. And once you have your funnel inside of there, like I said, you want to go ahead and use your Dexron 6 or Dexron-V1. That's what you're going to use. You want to go ahead and fill it up some, and then you want to stop and you want to go ahead and check it again with your dipstick, put your dipstick back inside of her, and check it until you get it, like I said, up into the level where it says maximum at. You don't want to go too high with it, just up to that maximum level right there. That's what you want to do. Sometimes if your transmission fluid is low in your vehicle, you may have problems with it slipping or it's not going out of, say, the first gear the way it should be doing. So the first thing you want to do is just double check to make sure that you have enough transmission fluid inside of your vehicle. And also, like I said, make sure when you're doing it that you're on a level surface, as well as make sure that your vehicle is actually on in park. You want to make sure your vehicle's on. You don't want to check it when it's off. So have your vehicle on. And like I said, you would just look right down here, right down in there. That's where your transmission fluid fill will be at, right there. Alright, once again, this is where you'll be checking your transmission fluid fill at on a Chevy Traverse from probably about the 2009 to about the 2017. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.